Are you looking for a delicious red rice dish to serve at your next fiesta? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a red Spanish rice. Very easy to make, simple, quick, and tastes delicious. Let's jump right in. We'll talk about our ingredients. I have 2 cups of Basmati rice that I've rinsed off. I have 2 cups of green and yellow peppers. You can use whatever color peppers you like. I have 1 cup of diced white onion. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic. I have 2.5 tablespoons of chicken base, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of cilantro, and 3 cups of water. We'll jump right in and start cooking. I'm going to turn on my flame on high. I'm going to add our onions to my pot. And to this, I'm going to add just a teaspoon, maybe 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. I try to go as light on the oil as I possibly can. And this is going to take probably a good 5 minutes to cook, and I will show you what it looks like in 5 minutes. So our onions have been cooking for probably right about 5 minutes. And at this point, you don't really want them too brown, because browning makes them sweet. We're going to add our garlic and our peppers, and we're going to cook this out for just about a minute or two. Our garlic and peppers have been cooking for right about 1.5 minutes, and now I'm going to add our rice, and I'm going to saute this just for about a minute. I'm going to stir this every 5 seconds or so. Rice has been cooking for right about a minute, and now I'm going to add our tomato paste and our water and our chicken base. I'm going to stir this until everything is mixed in thoroughly and bring it up to a boil. So I did add 1 more tablespoon of both chicken base and another tablespoon of tomato paste. And now it's coming up to a boil, so I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and turn it way down and cover it. And this is going to take about 15-20 minutes. Our Basmati rice was cooking for right about 18 minutes, and it's done cooking. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to stir our cilantro in. And once that's done, I'm going to put this in a bowl, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I put our Spanish rice in a bowl, and I want to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to take a taste. Really, really, really good. It's just really great flavor. You taste the cilantro, you taste the garlic, you taste the onions, the peppers. Really, really nice rice dish, and simple to make. Great for like a Mexican night or any type of Latin night that you're doing. This is perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please tell me what type of rice you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Be safe.